Guten Tag. So you're thinking of buying a house? Let me explain all the different steps, how to get started. Come on in. So you're looking to buy a house. Where do you start? You already looked at pictures online to see what you like. The first step should be talk to your lender. Call a lender, go to your bank and check how much you're going to be pre-approved, because you want to look at homes that are in your price range, so you don't want to be disappointed. Once you have your pre-approval, you should find a realtor you can trust to work with. Then you can go out and look at homes. Once you find your dream home, your realtor will walk you through the different steps of making an offer, how much earnest money you have to spend, how much option period, the inspection period, the financing options, all those different steps involved in your home purchase. If you need more information, please call me, contact me, text me. I'm happy to help. Bye.